we are going to discuss about section formula. So if the point divides the line so any point which divides the line AB, so let P divides the line AB internally in the ratio m is to n. This equal to m, this equal to n. So AP equal to m, PB equal to n. That is, P with a point which divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio m is to n. Then the coordinates of the point P. The coordinates of the point P is given by, that is, A x1 y1, B x2 y2, and P x comma y. The coordinates of P are x comma y, B x2 y2, and A x1 y1. That is, if the point P x comma y divides AB, join of AB x1 y1 x2 y2 in the ratio m is to n, then P x comma y is given by P x comma y equal to m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n. Similarly, m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. So this is the x coordinate abscissa, this is y coordinate ordinate. So x equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, y equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So here, so this one is abscissa. So this one is ordinate. That is, this is x equal to, this is y equal to. So abscissa and this one is ordinate. That is, P divides internally. So the point P is in between somewhere else. P may be here or here or here or anywhere between A and B. So now one more concept is there. If the point P is somewhere here, so this is the line AB, this is the line AB, and the point P is here, external. Here, external. P divides AB externally in the ratio m is to n by a external. Externally in the ratio m is to n. So here this length is equal to m and this length is equal to n. M is to n. M is to n. So here again A is x1 y1, B is x2 comma y2. So here the point P divides AB externally in the ratio m is to n. Then coordinates of the point P, that is x comma y, is given by P x comma y equal to m x2 minus n x1 divided by m minus n comma m y2 minus n y1 divided by m minus n. So this, for internal division you learned all those things in the high school class. For external division you must remember this one is new, there is only change in the sign only. Here this one is the abscissa, this one is ordinate. That is x equal to this one. This is y. That is ordinate. So this one is abscissa. This one is ordinate. This is x and this is y ordinate. X ordinate, y ordinate, or this one is x abscissa, this one is ordinate for an external division. So section formula. So for internal division, px comma y, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So for external division, px1 comma y, px comma y, mx2 minus nx1, m minus n, my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. So to remember this one, so this is for n and this is for this one. mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Similarly, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n, or mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n. Similarly, my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. So mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Similarly, this is for external and this is for internal division. So solve some problem concerned to this. Find the coordinates of the point dividing AB in the given ratio for the following points. So here in this problem, the end points of AB are given, the ratio is given, and the nature of the point, dividing point is given. Here it is internally, here it is externally. So first consider this problem. So note this, first write this problem in your book and then I will first solve this one, then I will go for second one. So in this problem, first write the given things. First we have to write the given things. A 2 comma 5, B minus 3 comma 8. So your ratio is 4:5 internally. So therefore x1 y1 equal to this one 2:5, x2 y2 this equal to minus 3 comma 8, m is to n 4:5, and internally. So therefore formula for internal division is p x comma y mx2 plus nx1 m plus n my2 plus ny1 m plus n. This equal to, so here m is equal to 4, n equal to 5, m equal to 4, x2 is minus 3 plus n is 5, x1 is 2 divided by 4 plus 5 comma 4 into 8 plus 5 into 5, this divided by m plus n, 4 plus 5. So observe here 2 comma 5 minus 3 comma 8, 4:5, 4 into minus 3, 5 into 2, 4 plus 5, 4 into 8, 5 into 5 divided by 4 plus 5. So these two steps are necessary. So this much carries 1 mark. So substituting the values according to this formula is very important. So therefore this step is very essential. So this becomes minus 12 and this becomes 10 divided by 9 comma 4 is that 32 plus 25 divided by 9. 4 into minus 3 minus 12, 5 into 2 10, 4 plus 5 9, 4 into 8 32, 5 into 5 25. So this equal to minus 12 plus 10 minus 2 by 9 comma, so here 57 by 9, 57 by 9. This is x coordinate and this one is y coordinate, abscissa, and this one is ordinate. Now consider the second problem. A minus 7 comma 1, B 3 comma 6, ratio is 3:2 and nature is external. The point P divides join of AB externally in the ratio 3:2. So external ratio is there. First write the given things. So therefore x1 y1 minus 7 comma 1, x2 y2 3 comma 6, m is to n 3:2 externally. The formula for external is P x comma y m x2 minus n x1 m minus n m y2 minus n y1 m minus n m x2 minus n x1 m minus n m y2 minus n y1 m minus n. So here minus 7 comma 1 3 comma 6, that is 3:2. So this is the, just to simplify the substitution. So m x2 3 into 3 n y2, that is substitute in this formula 3 into 3 minus 2 into minus 7 divided by m minus n. So 3 minus 2 comma 3 into 6 minus 2 into 1 divided by 3 minus 2. M x2 minus n x1 divided by m minus n, m y2 divided by n y1 divided by m minus n. So this equal to 9 plus 14 by 1, 18 minus 2 by 1, this equal to 14 plus 9 23 comma 16, this equal to 23 comma 16. This is abscissa, this one is ordinate. So for additional videos and addition problems, so better subscribe Knowledge SS Matpati and Techie Vivek channel. So knowledge channel. So my name is given here. Subscribe this channel and you will get additional problems solved in those and or in other videos.